Welcome to a journey into one of the world's most mysterious monuments. Stonehenge. Located in the quiet fields of Wiltshire, England, Stonehenge stands as a circle of giant stones, silent, ancient, and full of secrets. It was built over 4,000 years ago, during the Neolithic period. At first, people dug a circular ditch and built a bank around it. Later, they placed huge stones in the center, some weighing more than 25 tons. But why was Stonehenge built? No one knows for sure. Some believe it was a place for religious ceremonies. Others think it was used to study the sun and stars. The stones align perfectly with the sunrise on the summer solstice. Moving these stones was a huge challenge. The builders had no machines. They used wooden sledges, ropes, and teamwork. Some stones came from over 200 kilometers away, in Wales. Legends surround Stonehenge. Some say giants built it. Others believe the wizard Merlin used magic to move the stones. These stories show how special Stonehenge is to people. Today, Stonehenge is a World Heritage Site. Archaeologists still study it. Nearby, they've found graves, tools, and ancient remains. These help us understand life in prehistoric Britain. Every year, people gather here to celebrate the summer solstice. They watch the sun rise through the stones, just like ancient people may have done. Stonehenge is more than just stones. It's a symbol of ancient knowledge, hard work, and mystery. A reminder of how creative and skilled early humans were. Even without modern technology. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from the past.